What's up, guys? We're here at the Walmart in Margate, Florida, opening up our new Techy store. 7:30 in the morning, super busy. The traffic's unbelievable. We're super stoked about this opportunity to continue to open up inside of the Walmart locations. I'm gonna walk into the store, kind of show you what it looks like. The sign is being put up as we speak. So let's check it out, guys. Thanks for joining us today here at Techy. We fix phones, computers, laptops, smart home installation, any electronic devices that you need. We're walking into Walmart right now. Check it out. The good thing is we're right by the checkout area, so we get all the traffic coming right to the store. So all the self-checkouts, everybody that's coming out of here can see our store right there. Again, this is the sign guys putting up the sign right now. Got to put the finishing touches, slapping in the E. But this is what the store looks like, guys. It's a beautiful store, plenty of room. Let's go inside, check it out.
Okay, I'll step you.
Yeah. All the cases. We sell phones. Got the register over there. I know, plenty of room. Here's the tech room in the back. Well, all the magic happens, guys. Come visit us, come see us here at the Techy Walmart in Margate, Florida. We'll be glad to service any electronic needs, guys. Thank you.